The color of money runs deeper than the obvious. As we look closer, it changes into many different shades, as painted by the countless stories it has become a part of. Indeed, the color of money runs deeper than the obvious. As we look closer, it changes into many different shades, as painted by the countless stories it has become a part of. Indeed, the color of our money is the story, the pulse of our people. And as we evolve as a people, so does the color of our money. Masterfully designed, our new banknotes pay tribute to great Filipinos who played significant roles at crucial moments in our nation's history. The reverse side features iconic natural wonders we are proud of as Filipinos, covering Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The new 20 peso honors President Manuel L. Quezon, the first elected Philippine president. On the reverse is the image of the breathtaking Banawe rice terraces, which have been declared a World Heritage Site. It also features the palm civets from the Cordilleras that produce one of the best coffee varieties in the world, the Alamid coffee. The 50 peso commemorates President Sergio Osmeña, who led our country during the critical stage at the end of World War II, as well as our transition to an independent nation. On the reverse is the Taal Lake, home of the world's smallest active volcano, and the Maliputo fish that is unique to the place. The 100 peso pays tribute to President Manuel Rojas, who provided the leadership for the reconstruction of our country from the devastation of the Second World War. Also featured are the near-perfect cone-shaped Mayon volcano and the Butanding, or whale shark, the largest living fish species in the world today. The 200 peso is a salute to President Diosdado Macapagal, who started land reform and restored the celebration of Philippine independence to June 12. Other highlights are the unique icons of Bohol, the Chocolate Hills, and the Tarsier. The 500 peso celebrates the champions of Philippine democracy, Senator Benigno Aquino Jr., who stood up against martial law, and President Corazon Aquino, our first woman president, who restored democracy after the historic and peaceful People Power Revolution. The reverse features the 8-kilometer Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, declared in 1999 as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Blue Nape Parrot. Finally, the new 1,000 peso honors our war heroes: Chief Justice Jose Abad Santos, Girl Scouts of the Philippines founder Josefa Llanes Escoda, Brigadier General Vicente P. Lim. Other features are the two Bataha Reef National Marine Park, declared by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site in 1993, and the world-famous South Sea Pearl. Distinct indigenous weave designs that celebrate the creativity and excellent craftsmanship of Filipinos complete the national symbols featured in our new banknotes. Every peso, every note is a testament to our hard work. That is why we've taken great measures to make sure the money we use is genuine. The new generation Philippine banknotes. They incorporate the latest available technology in banknote security. Feel the note. It is not smooth, but a bit rough to the touch. cotton and Philippine abaca gives the banknote paper a certain roughness. In addition, the raised prints or embossing from the intaglio printing process gives the money a distinct tactile feel. Observe closely. The serial numbers are composed of 1 or 2 prefix letters and 6 to 7 digits in asymmetric or increasing size. Red and blue fibers embedded in the banknote paper glow under ultraviolet light. The watermark shows a shadow image of the portrait and the banknote's denomination on the blank space when viewed against the light from either side of the note. The word Filipino, written in our ancient Baybayin alphabet, can be seen in its complete form when the banknote is viewed against the light. When the banknote is rotated at 45 degrees and tilted downwards, we can see the concealed denominational value superimposed on the smaller version of the portrait. Viewed against the light, both the 20 piso and the 50 piso notes have an embedded 2 mm wide security thread that can be seen when the banknote is held against the light. A 4 mm wide stitch-like metallic security thread is in the 100, 200, 500, and the 1,000 piso notes. Viewed from different angles, its color changes from red to green. The front of the thread carries in clear text the initials of the VSP together with the note's numeric denomination in repeated series. Likewise, the back of the thread is printed with the initials VSP, also in repeated series. The 500 and 1,000 piso banknotes now have the optically variable device patch, a reflective foil. For the 500 piso, the OVD patch bears the image of a small BSP logo and the blue nape parrot, while the 1,000 piso carries a small BSP logo and the South Sea pearl inside a clam. The patches change color from red to green when the note is rotated 90 degrees. Exclusive to the 1,000 piso note is the optically variable ink for the embossed denominational value. It changes color from green to blue when viewed at different angles. All these security features are in our banknotes to make it difficult for counterfeiters to copy, but easier for our public to identify what is genuine and what is not. Take some time to get to know the security features of our money. Our new banknotes, a combination of the familiar and the new. They celebrate the values we aspire for, our creativity and heroism as a nation, and our God-given natural wonders. The new generation Philippine banknotes, national symbols that make us proud to be Filipinos.